GreenZone offers access to their utility token, GZX, via multiple exchanges including the XRP ledger. First, on your smartphone's Google Chrome browser, insert the greenzone.eco link. Next, scroll down to the section just under the sign-up area for the GreenZone newsletter, and tap on the XUMM pronounced Zoom logo. This will connect you with the GZX trust line, which allows you to pay XRP to send and receive tokens. When the next page opens, select the corresponding app market to download the XUMM app on your phone. Create a new account and follow the prompts to establish a wallet with the GZX trust line. Next you'll need to download the XRP ledger as well and connect your wallet. This is the payment protocol for Ripple, a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network created by Ripple Labs Inc. The XRP ledger is a decentralized, public blockchain. Anyone can connect their computer or device to the peer-to-peer network that manages the ledger. We recommend also utilizing the Bitrue app, where you can swap USDT, United States dollar token, and XRP for GZX, allowing you to send XRP to activate your XUMM linked wallet as an option. Once completed, you will have made the first steps towards fully utilizing GZX.